Hi you guys, it's Michaela Harris here, aka Kayslayday, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be reviewing this 4x4 lace closure wig, and this was an Amazon wig. It was very affordable, so this is my first closure, so I'm just applying it today. They even put in a lash in here, so that was really nice to receive. As you can see in the video, that this is a 4x4 lace closure. So it comes with one comb in the front, two on the sides, and one in the back. So now I'm going to start by just cutting the lace. Okay, so now I'm just trying the wig on to see how everything fits. Combing out the curls, making sure that you can see the real curl pattern. It looks really nice. The hair feels really amazing. It's very soft. It wasn't tangling, and I got little to no hair falling out. Now I am applying the glue right where the lace is going to lay, using the Got2b glue that is waterproof. And now I'm just waiting for the glue to get tacky so that I can apply the wig on top. Now I'm going to cut the lace. Now I am placing the wig down on my head on top of the glue, making sure that I comb back the hair to make sure the actual lace is glued down and not just the hair. With this wig, you could do baby hairs, which I will be demonstrating. I will be cutting a little piece of the hair to shorten it to make it baby hairs. I don't particularly do that with most of my wigs, but with this you could. And this is me coming back from the bathroom after wetting the hair to see if I can get that wet look. And then me using a curling custard to really bring out the definition of hair. And this is how I ended the look. This is an amazing wig, and I will leave all the details of this wig in the description. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for new videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.